Step 1. Overview. Unpack all of the equipment from the package. The unit should be placed on a hard, flat surface, sturdy enough to support the weight of the oven, jumpers, and any accessories. Position the oven away from corners and walls and keep work surface free and clear of clutter. Step 2. Setup. Attach the female end of the power cord to the curing oven power cord outlet on the back of the unit. Attach the male end to the power supply. Ensure the cord is securely attached on both ends. Important: use a grounded outlet to prevent risk of electrical shock. Turn the curing oven power on-off switch to the on position, located on the back panel. The cure oven is equipped with 2 external data ports. USB port used to load new software on the cure oven. Ethernet port used to connect the oven to external data collection devices, such as DE Data Link. Important: do not operate the oven with other major equipment plugged into the same power socket. This may risk blowing a fuse, and the on-off button will automatically revert to the off position. Step 3. Operation. The main menu allows for selection of entry into one of the 3 operational modes, or the user can enter a setup screen for selecting equipment parameters. The setup menu is used to set the parameters of the curing oven. A password is needed to set up this screen. The setup menu provides user access to various parameters, such as password, language, units of temperature, oven modes, upper and lower temp limits, temp offset correction. On this setup screen, the user can adjust the PID parameters of the oven temperature controller, either manually, though not recommended, or through auto-tune algorithms built into the electronics. Refer to the user manual to perform an auto-tune of the PID parameters. The recipe storage screen allows the user to store current settings to one of the 8 unique recipes. One of the oven's 3 modes is temp hold. This allows the user to select a temperature set point and to operate the oven at that constant temperature indefinitely. To select the desired temperature, the user should press the set point numeric value and enter the desired set point value on the pop-up numeric keypad. Once the set point temperature has been selected, the user should press the Run Stop button to put the oven in run mode. Once in run mode, the oven will gradually reach the program temperature and then hold. As the oven rises in temperature to reach the set point, the actual temperature display will turn green once the temperature is actually within the alarm tolerance of the set point. Another mode is timed mode. Timed mode allows for the user to select a temperature set point and operation time for the oven cure cycle, depending on the parameters set in the setup menu. If in immediate mode, or if in wait for set point mode, the timer will wait until the set point temperature is reached, after which the timer will start. To select the desired minutes or seconds on the timer, the user should press the Minutes or Seconds field and enter the value on the pop-up numeric keypad. The maximum minutes that can be entered are 999 and seconds are 59. To start the time cycle, the user will press the green Start Timer button in the lower left corner. This will initiate the oven to start heating and begin the timer immediately. The Reset Timer button can be pressed at any time to stop the time cycle and return to settings prior to starting the time cycle. After the time cycle has run its course, the time cycle end screen will appear and an audible alarm will sound if activated. The operator should press the yellow button to stop the alarm and return to the timed mode screen. The last mode is Step and Ramp. This mode lets the user select up to 4 temperature set points, followed by time values with linear ramp settings, allowing the oven to operate in a programmable mode over an extended period of time. Each step can be 65,535 seconds long. A text indicator in the top left corner will allow the user to identify the current step of the overall process. In addition, once a step has started or is completed, the text of the step will change to yellow. The step and ramp mode can accommodate exposure to multiple temperature levels for various times. It allows for easier processing versus manual intervention with timers and temperature changes. Please refer to the user manual for full instructions and proper maintenance.